As today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, just click on it. And just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on options. When you just click on options, you come to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on behavior here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you come here to disable battery optimization here, just click on it. Then you click here on allow. So then it's going to disable with you like you see here on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking